Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can use the address book photos in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and download and install it. Open it and click on your profile, which you see on the top left hand corner of your screen. Then you should go to Chats. After you go to Chats, you can see the Use Address Book Photos. What this does is it will display the contact photos from your address book or your contact book if available. So go ahead and enable it, and the address book will take the photos from your device and the contact list. And if you go to your contacts, you might see the option and you might see the photos. So you can go to invite friends, or you can see some of the friends option over here. So you can easily use this function to use the address book photos in Signal Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.